Alright, students, so I will demonstrate how to create a database. So you can go to your window working environment and then you can choose Access. So this is the Microsoft Access that we are going to use. So you can first start with blank database as shown in the notes here. So the file name of this database is called student_info. And then you can click this folder button. You can choose a place to save this file. So I will save it in desktop. So the file name is called student_info. And then click OK. And then you click this create button. Once you click it, you will find that there is a table and the name by default is called table 1. So usually we will go to design view to define the table structure. So you can go to the view and then click design view. Once you click the design view, it will ask you to save the table. So I would like to save it as student_info. And I click OK. Now then, this is the design view. When you're working with the table, so you can take a look at the activity worksheet here. You first type the field name, and then you can press Tab. And then you can type the data type. And then for the description, it is optional. So once you finish working with the field name, data type, and description, please double check it again to make sure that they are correct, especially for the spelling. If the spelling is wrong, later on, it would be impossible for you to import the data. And please also check the data type, especially for the last 4 fields. Afterwards, you can press this view and then go to datasheet view. And it will ask you to save the table again, because whenever you change the table structure, you are asked to save the table. So you click yes. Now, and then at the moment, you can start to type the data. But once you start the typing, you will find that how come it become Chinese, all right? So it is actually because the IME mode of the field, okay, by default is set to be on. So if it is on, then the Chinese input method will be turned on automatically. So what you need to do is to turn off the IME mode. So what you need to do is to go to the design view again. It is asking me to input the value because it is a primary key. So I will press the ESC. Okay, I press the escape button first and then I go to design view. And then I can start to change the input method. So this is the IME mode. So I will disable it. And then I will go to other field. Whenever the data type is short text, I will turn off the IME mode. For long text, I will also turn off the IME mode as well. I go back to the datasheet view. It asks me to save the table again. So now I try to type something. Yeah, so I can type it. So of course, I have not done data validation at this moment, so it will be mentioned in the next part.